Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. It is an initiative to enlighten the global public with the knowledge of various miscellaneous fields, and I am one of the members of Nursery to Varsity. In this tutorial series, we will learn about AWS free tier account and how to create an AWS free tier account. Well, AWS free tier account is an account provided by AWS to give all its services for free for 12 months. This is mainly for the beginners who want to learn AWS. Now, there are certain steps for creating AWS free tier account, and the steps are as follows. First, visit the website https://aws.amazon.com/. Now, you will find something like this on your screen. After that, click on the sign in to the console, then fill the required details and click on the continue button. After clicking on the continue button, you will again ask some details and again provide the required details like your full name, company name, phone number, country or region, address, city, etc. After that, after filling all the required details, your free tier account will be created. Now, this is how your free tier account is created. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.